Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can easily add and manage custom domains in your website here in Google Sites. But before starting it, if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, you're a beginner or even a first timer in using the software, do not worry because I got you covered, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and how to do this thing. Now, if you're interested in watching, we actually have a dedicated video that covers all the basic features and functions of this software. So you guys might want to check it out on our YouTube channel right over here. We got the username here if you want to copy it. Or you can also click on the channel in which you're watching the video from. Now, just to give it a bit of a background, Google Site is a free web-based tool that is used to create websites and is ideal for both personal and professional use. Now, as you can see at the moment, I have a website that I have not yet published because we decided to unpublish it from the previous video. Now, if you want to check it out, we have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sites tutorial on our YouTube channel. So please check it out yourself on how you can easily publish this. Now, if you want to create a custom domain, all you have to do, if you have not yet published your website, is click on the publish icon right over here. And as you can see right here, we have the web address, and this will dictate our custom domain like so, in which people can click and access our website. Now, let's say, for example, I want to name my website or my domain this name, which is Learn Expert Sample Website. All I have to do is click on publish and wait for it to be published. And now, as you can see, it indicates that our site has been published successfully. And if I click on this copy link icon right over here, we have our custom domain there. Copy it and paste it on a new tab. And as you can see, we have our custom domain that redirects us to this page that we just created. Now, if you would like to change your custom domain and manage it, all you have to do is to head over to the publish icon right over here. Click on the arrow for it to drop down the publish options. Click on publish settings. And here you can change your web address. Let's say, for example, I want to change or I want to add the number 1010. I will just click on save. And now that the settings has been updated, I can click on this link again, copy it and paste it on a new tab. And now, as you can see, sorry, it has not yet updated, so you want to give it some time. Might be working now. There you go. Now, as you can see right there, we have successfully updated and managed our custom domain, which is this one. Note that if you are using Google Sites, this will always be the starting web URL. The only thing that you can customize is this part of the domain. As simple as that, you can easily add and manage custom domains to your website here in Google Sites. Now, if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, as well as hitting that notification bell and leaving a comment down below for your suggestions in which you would like to see from us next. I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.